Video captures the attention of your audience members longer and more thoroughly than any other advertising medium. Producing professional quality video is essential, not only because you can promote your business in a more dynamic way, but you can leverage your brand in places where still images and text cannot go, like a YouTube commercial block, for example. Hey, it's Josh from Wondershare DemoCreator, and today I'm going to show you how you can make an explainer video for better marketing. And if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss the latest tips and tricks for video creation. In fact, you don't have to be an expert video content creator to take advantage of different types of video marketing for your business. Making professional videos can be as simple as using your smartphone camera. You don't need high-tech cameras, professional lighting, and a film crew just to make great videos. Just focus on the content in your videos, and your audience will likely be engaged. To help you start producing videos like the pros, here is a list of 4 different types of video marketing that you can do on your own with easy video software. Number 1, educational videos. Educational videos teach your audience something new. This type of video marketing helps you to build trust between you and your audience because you're establishing yourself as an expert in your industry. Let's dive into different types of educational videos that you can create for your video marketing strategies. Number 1, tutorial videos. With a tutorial video, you have the opportunity to show off your brand and your products while teaching people how to use them. Home Depot does a great job of this in their video content marketing, explaining how to complete DIY projects and showing which of their products are needed to get the job done. Number 2, explainer videos. Explainer videos are meant to simplify the explanation of a product, service, process, or any other complicated topic. These videos are typically animated and usually don't run for longer than a few minutes. We've also posted a tutorial on how to make an explainer video before, so if you're interested, you can check it out by clicking the top right link. This one here. Type 2. Company culture videos. Company culture videos help show off your company's personality. With this type of video marketing, you'll want to shoot videos with your mission and values in mind. These videos establish trust between your business and the public, especially if you focus on a commitment to your mission and values. Culture videos are also great for recruiting new hires. If your company looks like a great place to work, people will want to apply. Now, let's take a look at some examples of company culture videos. Number 1, brand videos. Brand video content marketing gives you and your employees a chance to sit down and talk about your company's mission and values. Whether you want to explain your company's dedication to customer experience, or you just want to talk about your history, you should use your brand video to explain what's unique about your company. When creating this kind of video marketing, ask yourself why customers should choose your business over your competition. 2, event videos. Event videos can give people a lot of information about your company without having to say anything. If your team volunteers together, creating a video of your team doing volunteer work can show that you care about your community. If you're having a big work party, you can capture how happy your employees are at your business. And if you're hosting a big conference, you can establish authority and credibility by sharing speeches or interviews from industry leaders who attended the event. Type 3, product videos. Product videos for your video marketing strategy help you showcase your products and get people interested. How you feature your products is up to you, but you can also follow in the footsteps of the companies in these examples. Number 1, product demo videos. Product demo videos help viewers understand how your product works or help you to promote your products. Whether the video includes you talking about your product or just focuses on your product's features, you want to make sure that you show off what your product can do. 2, product review videos. Product review videos are your company's chance to put your money where your mouth is. Nothing promotes a product or service better than showing it in action to highlight its benefits. According to a study from MediaPost, 57% of consumers are more confident in making a purchase online after watching a product video. Reviewing and proving the superiority of your own product is one way to spin these videos, but another is to review products that aren't from your line but could still be useful to your customers. This is great for building viewers' trust. They're used to companies preaching at them, begging for their business, and will appreciate knowing that you care enough about them to recommend products that you won't profit from. 3, sales reports videos. The way you present data to your audience is just as important as the data itself. This is where data visualization can help you out. Instead of expecting managers to go through tables full of numbers and extract valuable information from them, use graphs and charts or videos to illustrate data. Now that you've got the main type of videos for your better marketing, the next step is to actually record and produce the video. At here, I highly recommend Wondershare DemoCreator because it's a screencasting tool that also has a built-in video editor. Using a screen recorder and editor together makes creating screencasts much simpler and more manageable. Plus, you can record on-screen video, record webcam, record audio, import existing media, and edit videos all within the same product. If you're new to Wondershare DemoCreator, you can download and get 7 days free trial at the description below. Now, let me show you how to do it. Before you start recording, you need to prepare your product materials, such as product images, product website, sales reports, or PowerPoint of your product. Then you can open the Wondershare DemoCreator program and click the new recording button to start your screen recording new screen footage, such as your product website. Show how the product and software works, how to fix some problems, etc. After that, a pop-up window will appear. By default, DemoCreator will record a middle-sized screen. To customize your recording area, you just need to drag the border to adjust the size of the region. In this way, you will be able to make precise adjustments to your region size. In order to keep a high-quality recording, you can go to the Settings tab and choose 120 FPS recording. What's more, you can connect with a webcam and microphone to ensure better effects. It's a good idea to do a quick sample recording to test the audio in your video. First, make sure the audio device is on and connected. If you find that you have low volume, drag the audio slider to increase the audio level. Most importantly, please enable the screen drawing tool in this way, and you can annotate your screen recording, which is pretty useful. After that, you can go to your system screen and click the red round recording button to start recording. Then, you can use the screen drawing tool in DemoCreator to annotate your product screen and show exactly what your product or service does. During the recording process, explain your product as clearly as possible. Tell the user what it is, and solve the user's problem in detail. After the recording is finished, you can click F10 to stop recording or click F1 to pause or resume on Windows. And if you're a Mac user, to stop recording, you can hit Shift Command 2 or Option Command 2 to pause and resume. When you're finished, the screen and audio will be presented directly in the DemoCreator video editor, and you can edit it as you like, such as adding some captions or annotations. Then you can export to share it. Super easy to use. What's more, if you do not need to record the screen, you can only use the video editing function. You can open the Wondershare DemoCreator program and click the video editor button to start your video editing. Then import your media files and edit them as you like. Okay, so that was a detailed guide about how to create a marketing video for your product or software in Wondershare DemoCreator. These marketing videos are great, not only for establishing expertness and authority, but for capturing the all-important how-to and hack-themed queries in the search results. Information-oriented queries are more common than queries with the intent to buy, or other queries that come later in the funnel. For this reason, from a search perspective, these videos are most likely to see the most viewers. Another benefit of marketing videos is that they don't outwardly promote your product or service. Instead, they provide useful information to help your audience while introducing them to your brand at the same time. Your audience will begin to see your company as a trusted resource and hopefully, down the road, as a trusted provider of products and services. Okay, so that's all the video ideas for your better video marketing. If you found the video useful, do click the like button and leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hey, see you next time.